Hello, and thank you for joining me today with our MangoVoice tutorial. My name is Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about sound clips. I'm going to show you how to record your own, I'm going to show you how to upload your own from your computer, and then I'm going to show you how to make sure that those are placed correctly in your switchboard. So the first thing that you're going to need is a MangoVoice username and password in order to gain access to our website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to identify the Sound Clip tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you click into that tab, it's going to bring up your sound clip menu. Now here we can see that we have two sound clips present already. To upload your own sound clips directly from your computer, all you have to do is click on Upload Sound Clip. Once you click Upload Sound Clip, a small window will appear, and you'll search your computer by clicking on Choose File. Select the file that you'd like to use. We're going to select Auto Attendant, and we'll click Open so that it'll populate in the small window. Then we'll want to make sure that we name that sound clip appropriately. So we're going to name it Auto Attend and click Create Sound Clip. Now that sound clip is uploaded and ready to be used. You also have the ability to record your own sound clips directly from the Mango phone. If you dial *99 from your Mango phone, you'll follow the automated voice's instructions to record your own sound clip. Now, one of the things that she'll ask you to do towards the end is press 2 to save. This is a very easy step to miss, so make sure that you do that. After you save, that sound clip is going to automatically populate right here in this window. But the name is going to look a little weird, very similar to the one that we have right here on the bottom. Now, to change that name, all you have to do is click Edit Sound Clip, and then you can name it appropriately. This one we're going to rename Kevin's Voicemail, and we'll update that sound clip. Now, with all sound clips, you have the ability to click the play button here to listen to those, to verify they are what they are. If for some reason you do record multiple sound clips and are unable to get them named before you can listen to those, that way you can name them appropriately. You can also delete sound clips directly from this menu by clicking on that X button. Now, we do have our feature codes here, and we will get to those here in just a moment. But first, I'd like to show you how to place a sound clip appropriately in your switchboard. So first, we'll go over to the Switchboard tab on the left-hand side. We'll find the switchboard that we want to play in. So first, we're going to go into Switchboard 1000. Now, we uploaded that auto attendant voice message, so we're going to find the auto attendant. And right here where it says Sound Clip, we're going to click that down menu and find our new sound clip labeled Auto Attend and select that. Now that that's there, we want to make sure that we hit save in the top right-hand corner, and that sound clip will now play whenever a call reaches this object in a switchboard. Feature codes are *100 through 109. Any sound clip can have a feature code. We'll click the Edit button again, and right here where it says Feature Code, we'll click that drop-down menu and select any one of 10 options. For the auto attendant here, we'll select *100. We got to make sure we click Update so that it registers that it has that feature code assigned to it. Now, we could dial *100 from the Mango phone to directly record over the current audio with a brand new message. The benefit to this is the auto attendant is already in place in the switchboard. So by recording that new audio, you will not have to go into the switchboard to place it, as it is already placed. And that is everything that you'll need to know for sound clips and getting them placed appropriately. Thank you for joining me today with MangoVoice tutorial.